you favorite a song or a sound in TikTok? The way you favorite a sound or music on TikTok is you want to go to the video that has that music and you want to look at the rotating disc at the bottom right hand corner of the screen. So you want to click that, and then once you click it, you will have an option at the top of the screen that says add to favorite. So I just added that to favorite. So how do I find that sound? So let's say if I want to film something and I want to add my sound, I can go to the camera icon and then I could go into add sound. So if I go to favorite sound, as you can see, that sound that I just favorited is right on top of the all of the other sounds that I had favorited. So all I do is click on that sound and I could edit the sound here. I could save it, or I could just click the check mark and that sound is already on my screen. So what I can do now is I could either record or upload my video. The sound is already there and voila. And that's how you favorite your sound in TikTok.